Yes, guys, so we are here at Brusters. Before I get to that, guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay? Yes, so as I said, we are here at Brusters ice cream parlor. So my daughter telling me that she just got a email on her phone saying that they got some Jamaican flavor ice cream. So we say, all right, we just check it out. So we come out and say we'll check it out. You know what I mean? They have good ice cream, eh? I have ice cream already. They have good ice cream. So guys, make we see. Make we see the thing, how the thing go and all of that. Yes, guys, so there is the family. Say hi, Belle.
Hey guys, as y'all see.
Yes, it's mama there, it's the daughter there, and grandson, and grandma.
So my grandma called
Grandma over there. Yes, miserable like an old lady. She wanna
We don't order. Yeah.
oh, order.
Zoe, you have to order.
Zoe, come and tell the lady what you want. I don't know what you want.
Right here.
Ma'am, we need to sample the new Jamaican something flavor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I need the smallest portion of it to sell.
You want in a cup or cone?
Give me the cone.
Cup?
Cone.
Cone? Okay. Do you have cookies? Like in a cup? Yeah. I want the cookie cream in a cup with like whipped cream. What do you order?
Me order already.
Okay.
Oh,
Y'all see me on the last video when I did the money challenge.
yes. That's the lady that did the money challenge.
Yes.
Yes,
y'all
that's
see
the
me?
rich. That's the rich lady.
Yes.
We ordered hers already. Joy, she's the one that had the Jamaican ice cream.
I order one too.
Oh, we have two.
Yeah, I ordered
Yeah, two.
on this. We at what it called?
But I don't know.
Roots.
You order the roots. What kind of roots?
I got I got Oreo ice cream. Oreo.
I shouldn't even be eating no ice
Shut
cream.
up.
$12.73.
$12.70 for three.
My order to give mama $5.
Oh.
$12.70.
Oh, that's so good.
Trying to be cheap. Don't want to spend money. What's your favorite ice cream? He got his money in his pocket. But here's money. You should buy his ice cream.
What do you sell around? They sell French fries? Come see me, show me see.
I got me a hot dog combo with French fries.
Mm-hmm. I know they sell that.
I'm not pushing that hot dog combo.
Those guys, see the menu. I didn't know they sell. I didn't know they sell just ice cream.
I'm gonna say shout out to I want y'all to shout out to Roman Business, hit the notifications and all that. Okay? Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna count to 3. 3, 2, 1. Y'all better be shouted out.
Yeah. So there I get me a free ads. My granddaughter said, "Tell him again, Belle."
I need y'all to do something. I need y'all to shout out, hit that notification, and yeah. I don't know what to say. I don't know what else to say because this ice cream is so good.
Yeah. Belle say you all should just show the channel some love. You know what I mean?
And I said, shout out to Roman Business right now.
Yeah.
If you can't show the channel some love, show Dale some love.
Yeah.
This is you my grandparents, right?
You know your grandma ain't
Shout out to my grandparents' channel.
Mark got up there with the hair and the thing.
Yes, guys. So here it is. What the name of it, Zoe? Jamaica what?
You can sit over there and eat it.
Jamaica what, Zoe?
Crazy.
Jamaica crazy.
Go sit over there and eat it.
And you know,
Read the thing off the board.
I you said Jamaica crazy.
Go on the phone. You said Jamaica
Oh. Oh, get the flavor. Jamaica me crazy. Oh, you know we're crazy already. Yeah.
That look good, ain't it? That look good, ain't it, y'all?
That's good to have.
Yes, guys, I got a cookie and cookie dough. I have cookie dough here. So yes, yes, yes. It is ice cream sundae at Brusters.
Yes, Rooster.
Yes, guys, so that's the spot. Brewsters. So, anywhere you at, you find your Brewsters. Ice cream good.
So yes, guys, it's just a family evening, you know, after dinner. Nice little ice cream, you know. So if you want something to do on Sunday evening, take your family out. Go get a little ice cream or just something. Just something to get out after dinner. Walk a little bit of that good Sunday food off your stomach. So yes, guys, let me taste this ice cream. Let's see what's going on here.
Y'all gotta come to Brewster's.
Yes, I have to give Bruce's a thumbs up.
A 10 out of 10.
Cookie cream is on the money.
Yes.
So how's yours? That's all right. So she says all right, then must be good because you know she's a critic by everything.
It's gonna be a 10 out of 10 for Brewster's.
Tell them, Bill.
10 out of 10, y'all. 10 out of 10. And we're going to the park. So yeah. I can't even talk because I'm eating ice cream.
So yes, guys, let us know what are y'all doing tonight. What was your Sunday dinner and what is your dessert? Hit us up and let us know. Leave a comment. Remember, you guys, to tell them, Belle.
Follow, like, and share, and hit that notifications and comment to the Roman Bennett's.
Roman with the Bennetts.
Roman with the Bennett's, y'all. I keep forgetting. Tuda. Shut up.
I just want.
Yes, guys, so the ice cream eating Sunday.
You want to ask her to do this, so why you turn your head? What grandma's doing?
So we're running from the camera. Bill, you're making inroads in that ice cream, man.
I got freeze brain.
Cause you're going too fast. So have you finished?
Oh, I couldn't finish it all, but I tried.
Grandma, can I go
I got
get
some for later.
Grandma, can I go get a top?
Yep. Grandma will get your top.
It tastes like. What is this? Holy cow.
Cookie and cream.
Come on.
Oh, look, cause you messing it up now. So if you gotta turn on the thing on you, turn it around and turn it on this way.
Oh.
Hold on. Can I go get a hot?
Watch this while. Keep your feet down. All right, Jace. Okay, this is fair. That's good. Tops. Top for that?
No.
I don't know. You can ask them if they have a cup or something. You can turn it upside down.
Y'all want some Oreo ice cream?
Can you ask if I can
So
get
yes,
some
guys,
pepper rice in?
the ice cream was good. We couldn't finish it, so that's one thing. Brusters give you enough ice cream for your buck, so you get a lot of ice cream on a cone, waffle cone, or in a cup. So guys, like I say, if you're not doing something on a Sunday afternoon and you want something, you know, good to eat, or you know, a good dessert. I'm gonna say a good dessert to eat. Try Brusters. There goes the light. You know, so they're open. You know, a good hour for people to come out and sit and enjoy.
Yes, guys. Go for the 3 ice cream. Not 3, 4. No, 3.
Three ice creams.
3 ice cream was like $12.
And you can't really beat that. You
And
cannot beat that.
This big old bowl, plus 2 big, huge cones. Yes.
You can't beat that. Look at the cone. She can't even finish it. She can't even finish it.
I don't want no more.
So So yes,
Welcome
guys.
to Columbus. Yes, guys. So I think we're gonna end this vlog right here. Yes, guys. So the place is Brusters. So
Busters.
Busters. Well, I don't know if it's Busters.
No,
Brusters.
Brewsters.
It's Brewsters.
We are both wrong. The place is Brewsters, you guys.
Brewsters. I am right. I said Brewsters. You said
Us
Busters.
ladies were wrong. It is Brewster's
Brewsters.
Real Ice Cream. That's the name of the place.
Yes,
So,
guys,
so he was correct.
This is the spot. Brewsters.
Look at the big cone my daughter has. Look at, show us the cone, Lexus. Look at Lexus' big old cone. That's a lot of ice cream. You can't go anywhere and get no big ice cream like that, you know, for the buck that you get here. So you guys, Brewster's is where it's at. So yes, guys.
Until then, guys, remember to, come on, Belle. Remember to like, share, and sub.
Hit the notification.
Like, share, and
Belle said her
subscribe.
own thing. Come again, after 3. Like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so when we upload another video, you will be notified.
All right.
Peace.
Say good night.
Bye, good night.
Peace, we out.
Good night to the. Good night, talkie. Good night, guys.